Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Notion for project management, pro tips step by step clearly. Start by opening your Notion workspace. Create a new page dedicated to your project. Name the page clearly with the project title. Begin by adding a cover image for visual appeal. Next, insert a database to track tasks. Choose the table option for a clear overview. Label your columns to reflect essential task details. Include columns for task names, deadlines, assignees, and status. Now, start populating your table with initial tasks. Break down your project into manageable steps. Use the status column to track progress. Consider adding tags to categorize tasks. Next, create a Kanban board view for a visual representation. Add different columns for each project phase. Drag and drop tasks to update their status easily. Incorporate a calendar view to visualize deadlines. This provides a timeline perspective on your project. Use the comment feature for team communication on specific tasks. To enhance accountability, use reminders for task deadlines. Create relationship links between different pages if needed. Utilize templates to speed up setup for future projects. Explore Notion integrations to connect with other tools. Periodically review and update your project page. Keep your team aligned by sharing the page with collaborators. Customize your workspace for better navigation and focus. By following these pro tips, you'll manage your projects more effectively in Notion. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.